Good morning all of you. In my previous video, I told you about the format of note making. So you know what is the format of note making. So now I am going to present in front of you about the abbreviation that used in note making. So abbreviation. What is the abbreviation? It is a short form, short words that we use while writing. Some arithmetic words are used that you can see more than and less than. Another, therefore, because, exercise. Such type of words are used in mathematics. So it means we can say the symbols are used. In English, as a symbol, we use AND. E-G means that is. So these words as a symbols are used. And so first of all, we have to remember these symbols. We should know. Another is M, B, B, S. It is a capital letters. So by using these capital letters, it is a short form of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So the detail is not needed. MBBS, it is a short form of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Except it, the CBSE. This is the CBSE board. We know, we understand well that this is the Central Board Secondary Education. So it is sufficient to write CBSE. So like this, some other words are also used. PPLN, population. We can see in these words that some vowels are missing. Vowels are not used. Population, PPLN. Education, EDN. Here only first word is E, but other words are missing, so it is understood that it is written education. Books, BKS. This is the books. We can write in this way. In newspaper, we always see government. The newspaper words are there. Government is written in this way. So government is there. Civilization. You can write civil apostrophe ZN. So it is sufficient to write in short. Civilization. We can read very easily because we know that it is written the civilization. Sorry, we use here civilization. Okay, so many words are used, and today at the present time we are using the WhatsApp language. WhatsApp language, and we use so many abbreviations in short, but we write according to us. But it doesn't mean that you may use in writing note making, because some words are wrong there. So that's why some particular words that we always use in our daily routine and in our school also. For example, lab means laboratory, lib means library. So such type of so many words. Captain, captain, CPTN, you may also write, and it is also right, captain. Subjects are also there. Accountancy, it is sufficient, account. So so many words are there when we use in note making. Now how we will prepare notes, it is the main question. So I am taking the chapter 1 of 11th standard. 11th standard, the first chapter, the portrait of a lady. So you may write the title of the story, that portrait of my grandmother. Everyone had studied about the chapter, and I have changed the title because I am making notes according to myself. So now when you write the title, so you may change the title. After that, what will be the main point that I have told you in my first video, the format of note making. So according to that, the main title, what will be the main title? So description of grandma. Now I have written the word grandma. Grandma means grandmother. So the first abbreviation that is used, the description of grandma. Now there is the point 1.1. So you may use 1 point description. What is the description? It means her appearance. Her appearance. So how she was looking. So now you may take some little words, some definite words when you make notes. So it should be related to her appearance. So the sub point after that, sub point 1.1.1. So it is the sub point. So the sub point will be related to sub point. So her appearance means wrinkled face. Another sub point 1.1.2, silver locks. Silver locks. So these words are related to her appearance. After that you may use hobbled. It means hobbled word is used for her physique. Hobbled and bent. So you may write in this way some sub point. The main point, description of grandmother. So what is the description? Her appearance. First the sub point is there, her appearance. So all these sub points are related to her appearance. After that 1.2, it is also related to the grandmother. The description is the main point. So the sub point is there. Another word is her daily routine. Her daily routine. Her daily routine. So now the sub point is 1.2.1. What was her daily routine? One point 2.2 is worship God and telling the beads of rosary. So in this way we can write the notes. It means there is a description of grandmother. So I am giving the example example of these points, that in this way you have to prepare notes, you have to make notes. And so everything is written here about the grandmother. So by taking these points, you may summarize the chapter in your own sentences, in your own language. So that will be the summary of the chapter. And this will be the format of note making. So I think that it will be sufficient to understand the procedure of note making, and in this way you may use some abbreviation. One thing more I want to suggest you, that abbreviation carry only 1 mark. So only 5 or 6 words as an abbreviation are sufficient to write, not more than 6 or 7, because it will be wastage of. So I hope that you will try to understand the format and how to prepare notes, how to make notes. This format will be, this example will be helping hand for you. Thank you.